Hey there, fellow art adventurers! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're all about crafting creative and spooky delights. Today we're diving into the spirit of Halloween by drawing a special Halloween postcard that you can send to your family and friends. Just imagine the joy and spooktacular fun they'll have when they receive these eerie greetings. So grab your art supplies, and let's get started on this ghostly masterpiece. To begin, we've drawn a rectangle on our page, the size of our spooky postcard. And at the top of it, we've created a big, mysterious beak. Above that, you'll find two big eyes resting there in different sizes, with the eyeballs squished together on one side and one on top. We've added some action lines, as if our little crow friend is feeling dizzy or scared. Next, we've given our crow a head with feathers all around the face. His head hair is all uneven and unkempt, as if he's seen some seriously spooky stuff. To keep him warm and cozy in the chilly night, we've added a swirling muffler flowing out from the side, as if it's shivering in cold and fear. Check out those two bird feet. They're sticking together in fear. The other hair is all over the place, adding to the eerie vibe. Our crow is perched on a branch. And there are even some broken feathers flowing in the air, as if he's had a close encounter with a ghost or two. Oh, and don't forget the bat flying around in the background. It adds that extra touch of spookiness. To wrap it all up, we've crafted a title, Happy Haunting, at the bottom to set the mood for this ghostly adventure. Now, let's bring our Halloween postcard to life with colors. The beak gets a warm shade of yellow to make it pop. Our crow's body is in a classic shade of gray. while his feet are a spooky orange. The flowing muffler is in a chilling red, adding a dash of warmth to the scene. And for the finishing touch, we've added a warm orange solid background to our illustration to make it pop and set the eerie theme. And there you have it, a spooktacular Halloween postcard ready to send shivers down the spine of your family and friends. I hope you had a blast creating this ghostly masterpiece with us today. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us. And until next time, keep those pencils moving and your creativity flowing. Catch you later.